Kong am priling dot berika Kyrtong NPP syaka Lok Sabha na Shillong parliamentary seat Hadien pa kala Thep ban Thep Kyrteng kala Pynpaw ya Jingsngew pagka parti kala ajit ya kum Kyrtong habakren sekilat patai kubor kala ong pakas Kmen pakala Thep ban Jingsngew syabaro kilai penduduk ligi constituency bat kala lap ya kibabon kijingye kendu bat kumta kala ong ba kanyale kan pala bantre lada ka syajit hakane ke election.
Yes, and I have now submitted my filing of nominations to the RO here at the DC's office. And today is a day where, again, with much excitement of my supporters and NPP supporters in general across the state, across the one Shillong parliamentary constituency, and it is an important day for us where we willingly offer our candidatures as nominated official candidate of the NPP party in the 2024 Lok Sabha election. And I have completed my journey through 36 constituencies. I have covered over hundreds of kilometers in about 3.5 months before. Yesterday, I was able to go to the last segment of my constituency. I feel satisfied that I am now familiar with what I need to do. I know that there is much expectation, but again, like we said, we are here to serve the people, and I will try my best to serve to the best of my capacity. I'm very fortunate that I have the National People's Party's entire team behind me. I'm happy that my family, my husband, my brothers, my sisters, my children are all by my side. And we will give this our best. We leave it in the hands of the people. Please vote for me. Please select me as the most eligible candidate from the menu of candidates that you have. And I hope that in this I shall be able to enter the next chapter of my political career.